Hello everyone! How are you today? I am Teacher Giselle, your math teacher for this lesson. Welcome to the new normal way of learning. If you need more time, feel free to pause this video. Content standards. The learner demonstrates an understanding of key concepts of measures of position. Performance standards. The learner is able to conduct systematically a mini research applying the different statistical methods. Content, statistics, and probability. Before we start with our lesson, let's recall your past lesson about deciles. The deciles are the 9 score points which divide a distribution into how many equal parts. That is correct. 10. Our learning goal for this lesson is to illustrate percentile of ungrouped data. Are you ready? Let's go. John, I checked your test and your score is in the 85th percentile out of 10 students. What is your idea when you hear the word percentile? Percentiles are the 99 score points which divide a distribution into 100 equal parts. It is used to characterize values according to the percentage below them. For example, the first percentile separates the lowest 1% from the other 99%. The second percentile separates the lowest 2% from the other 98%. The percentiles in the illustration determine the value for 1% and 2% of the data. Now, let's take a look at an example of distribution that is divided into 4, and that is quartile. In the 25th percentile, 25% of the data has a value of less than or equal to the 25th percentile and has the same value with the first quartile. In the 50th percentile, 50% of the data has a value of less than or equal to the 50th percentile and has the same value with the second quartile. In the 75th percentile, 75% of the data has a value of less than or equal to the 75th percentile and has the same value with the third quartile. That is when the distribution is divided into 4. What if the distribution is divided into 10? You have learned that a distribution that is divided into 10 is called a decile. The first decile is the 10th percentile. It means that 10% of the data is less than or equal to the value of the 10th percentile or the first decile. If the first decile is equal to the 10th percentile, what would be the value of the second decile? Correct. That is 20th percentile. How about the value of the third decile? Correct. It is 30th percentile. How about the value of the fourth decile? That is correct. It is 40th percentile. And these are the remaining values. Are you learning? If you need more time, feel free to pause this video. This time, let us answer the activity below. Illustrate the percentile of the 20 scores of students in a mathematics exam. Locate the following: P5, P20, P70, and P80. Since there are 20 scores, we will divide 100 by 20. 100 divided by 20 is equal to 5. 5 will be your first percentile, that is P5. To get the next percentile, we have to add 5 to P5 to get P10 and add 5 to P10 to get P15, and so on. The illustration shows the positions of P5, P10, and P15. Now, what would be the position of P20, P70, and P80? Here are the locations of the 20th percentile, 70th percentile, and 80th percentile. Now, check your answers. Where can we use percentiles? Do you know that percentiles are commonly used to report scores in tests, exams like National Achievement Test, and many more? Now, it's your turn to give me an example where percentile can be used. Are you learning? Let's proceed. Let's do some recap. Percentiles are the 99 score points which divide a distribution into 100 equal parts. Next, 25% of the data has a value of less than or equal to the 25th percentile and has the same value with the first quartile. We also discussed that 50% of the data has a value of less than or equal to the 50th percentile and also called the median. You also learned that 75% of the data has a value of less than or equal to the 75th percentile and has the same value with the third quartile. Now it's your turn. Your task is to illustrate the percentile of 25 scores of students in their fourth quarter exam in math and locate the following. Let us now check your answers. Congratulations! We are now done with our topic. This is Teacher Jessel Panes Palermo, Mathematics Teacher at Nueva Vida National High School, Nueva Vida Mlang, Cotabato, saying thank you and God bless.